Which bike to buy, Surron X or Talaria MX4? Both bikes are great with similar specs and prices. Talaria is a newer bike and the manufacturer has made lots of improvements. I would recommend giving Talaria a shot. If you're looking for more power, go with the MX4. If you don't need much power, consider the MX3 or 3X model. We used to sell more Surrons, but Talaria is gaining in popularity. Last month, we sold over 10 Talaria bikes. The choice of which bike to get is ultimately up to you. Check out the link in the bio for more information.